watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
Well, the rain moved in fast and furious yesterday afternoon, and it came down in sheets at times last night. You could hear it on the roof, that's for sure, in many locations. Storm Track Live radar so far today has been a little bit more on the quiet side. You can see a few scattered rain showers west of Holland along the lakeshore trying to push in our direction. They're moving at about 25 to 30 miles an hour. So on their current pace here, if we track what's moving into the Holland location, still about another 25 to 30 minutes into Grand Rapids if it can hold together. Still about an hour and a half. So for the 131 corridor, it would be much closer to that 2 p.m. time frame. Now, if we expand the view out a little bit more, you'll notice that we do have some precipitation well to the south of the Michigan-Indiana border. This is so far been skirting just south of the border because we have a warm front that's hung up here just south of Interstate 94, and it's having a hard time crossing that boundary, but we do see more scattered showers developing west of the Milwaukee and Racine areas. Those could affect us later on this afternoon into the evening hours as well. So here's how things shape up so far. A lot of these totals came into us this morning or to the National Weather Service, and some locations will add to these, but Hudsonville so far a little over 2 inches of rain from what fell yesterday and last night. Hastings a little bit less than 2 inches. Wayland 1.75 inches. You can see Grand Haven down there at 1.1 inches in East Grand Rapids as I move out of the way. Just a little bit more than an inch of rain, and that was pretty typical for most areas. A few receiving a little bit less, especially the farther north you live from Grand Rapids. Right now it's 63 degrees at the Gerald R. Ford International Airport. Same thing for Ionia. A little bit cooler in Hastings, or 59, 62 now in Battle Creek, and we're holding in the low to mid 60s from Kalamazoo south to Sturgis. Temps are going to have a hard time warming up today, but we're going to play the optimistic card here with the extensive cloud cover around. A few scattered showers showing up at 6 p.m. there. Temperatures try to make a run into the upper 60s. Again, we're going to have that warm front lifting north, but it's taking its time. Around 60 degrees by midnight. Notice how the shower activity tends to really fall apart. We've got a couple of scattered showers trying to show up around 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Not a lot of confidence that that will actually be happening, especially around the Interstate 96 area, but everybody dries out tomorrow afternoon. We're close to 70 at the noon hour. Close to it. Again, we've got to wait for that warm front to go north to really see the warmer temps. We're going to say we make it into the mid to perhaps upper 70s, especially south of Interstate 96, but it's going to take all of tomorrow to do that, and the clouds could be a little slow to clear out as well. So here's how things shape up with the 8-day forecast. We have those showers tapering off tonight, slow clearing tomorrow. It's not going to be immediate in the morning that everybody sees that sunshine developing. Then we're going to see temps close to 20 degrees above normal as we go into the middle of the week. Tomorrow, perhaps not quite 20, but on Thursday, normal high only in the mid to upper 50s. We'll be in the mid to upper 70s. I could see a few locations a little bit warmer than that. Showers and storms roll in Thursday night into early Friday. And then Friday, well, much cooler with wind chills in the 40s. Air temps struggling to make it into the low 50s. Saturday and Sunday do look much cooler at this point as well. So you go from the shorts Wednesday and Thursday to the parka Saturday and Sunday.
With the exception of the humidity and the bad hair day, it really feels good out there.
It really does. You and me said the same thing.
Yeah.
Oh, this humidity.
It's difficult. It's difficult. Thank you, Laura.